Hey everyone, we are so excited to finally announce that we have just partnered with One Tree Planted and are officially launching our Keys4Trees program. One Tree Planted is an incredible company that has restored 37,000 hectares of forest in over 45 countries. In 2021 alone, they planted more than 23 million trees. And in 2022, they're on track to do 50 million. Coming up on September 28th is Plant a Tree Day, and we plan to celebrate. Starting today and for the next 7 days, we are going to plant 1 tree for every vehicle that's uploaded into HeyAuto's glove box. If you didn't already know, Glovebox is the easiest way to digitally manage and store all of your maintenance receipts and documents that have to do with your vehicle. Here at HeyAuto, we are committed to building a more sustainable future for our communities. Don't wait, sign up for HeyAuto today and get your vehicle loaded into your glove box so we can all make a difference together, 1 tree at a time.